Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, let's learn about how to enroll in Citibank online banking. So, let's get started. At first, let's get into any browser and search for Citibank Enroll. Click on this first website. Now, click on Continue. Since we are creating it, simply click on Register Now. Enter your credit or debit card number here. Now, here we need to enter all of these numbers: your credit card and debit card number, bank account number, your Paycheck Protection Program loan account number, brokerage account number, and personal loan only account number. After you enter all of this, simply click on Continue. After this, we go for verification. Once the verification is done, we'll create an online access where we'll create our username and password, which is needed to be confirmed. Once we have done all of the steps, we can enroll in Citibank online banking. So, this is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.